So we've just dropped Shelley off at the airport. Very sad to see her go. It was a fabulous 2 weeks. And we have whipped around the corner to a place called Nanny Cay, which was once upon a time a very nice marina, but as you can see now it is not much left of it. There are all the pontoons, everything in the marina is pretty much gone, so we have just kind of stern tied and anchored in the middle of the causeway, whatever you call it, and try and use some facilities to get some jobs done. And the Darwin Award goes to these guys trying to tow a boat with a dinghy in reverse. Hilarious.
Back to the beginning, take me back to the start. Take me back to the beginning, take me back to the start.
So we got given this free paddleboard slash windsurf board by some nice people in some Barts, and so had a few dings and holes in it from the hurricane, so I'm just patching up so Sarah can go paddleboarding and windsurfing again. Oh, so I had to sand back where all these big cracks and holes were, and then put some new fiberglass down with resin, and then I'm just sanding it back smooth again so Sarah doesn't get any fiberglass scratches or itch from it, and then should be good to go.
Next job on the list, we've managed to borrow ourselves a scooter to go fill up these gas tanks. The only place you can do it is in town.
Back to the beginning, take me back to the start again.
So I've had the speed over ground and the boat speed reading quite different lately, and it's because we've got a dirty paddle wheel, so I've got to pull it out of the boat here, which will start sinking the boat, and then I've got to put the bung in quickly and then clean the paddle wheel, and hopefully I don't make a huge mess.
Smooth.
She is full of barnacles. We also met up with my mate Cuz, who just started out on a huge adventure of his own.
Yeah, I just bought a Lagoon 450. It was damaged in the hurricane. Hurricane had 280 mile-an-hour winds coming through, so she's pretty banged up. But we're going to take it to Puerto Rico, fix the hull, and then we're going to go to cruise the islands for a little bit, and then we're going to go to Costa Rica and start a surf charter company. Yeah, pretty daunting experience for sure.
Be fine.
Yeah.
She's got a lot of potential.
Yeah, she's a big boat. Adam's talked me into buying it.
I get the blame.
Oh man, unreal feeling though. This is how you felt when you bought your one.
I don't know how you're feeling right now.
Nervous.
Yeah, for sure nervous.
Shit, you were so nervous.
Were ya?
Fine.
Cool as a cucumber.
So we just left Cuz in Nanny Cay with his new Lagoon 45. He's got a big job ahead of him, but we picked up a new mate, a windsurfing board slash paddleboard for Sarah to windsurf on, us to paddleboard around on, and we're heading around to a place called off Frenchman Cay.
Spoken, but I know every word you said to me was true.
currently the only ones anchored here in Sandy Island, what is usually an extremely popular anchorage and really hard to find a space. Is completely deserted, so we're pretty sure it's because of Hurricane Irma. The tourism here has dramatically decreased, which is a real shame because it's still absolutely beautiful and most of it's open and the people are very welcoming, so get your bums down here, people.
You say, yeah, you mean every word you say. You light up, you light up, you light up this room tonight. You light up, you light up, you light up this room tonight. You light up the night.
Just off for a little morning exercise swim around the bay here with Eddie. He's a little bit faster than me, so I get to cheat and wear flippers.
Your words are like vapor on my window pane. I stare in the mirror and you say I'm vain. So are you gonna let me down slow?
So we're just leaving the beautiful White Bay, the Soggy Dollar Bar, and we're just sailing for an hour and a half to the south of the BVIs. We're going to do some snorkeling and spend the night there. There's a bit of strong breeze at the moment, so we're going to reef in. We probably just motor sail with a bit upwind. I think there's 20 to 25 knots out, so we're just having a little motor sail upwind. It should be a little choppy, but we're in the shelter of the island, so not too bad.
Whoa. If time wasn't all we cared about and love had to say, if we could be more patient, not look the other way, if we could help the helpless, a little love for the poor, then maybe this old man wouldn't be on the corner no more, singing if I had a chance, I'd make these people dance, we could all call these streets out.
We've just had to stern tie in this beautiful anchorage and it reminds us so much of Croatia. Beautiful greenery, pristine beaches, look at that watercolour. I'm going for the blend in with the colourful fishies method of snorkeling today. Fish camo.
To talk about, still we speak our mind each day, holding back from giving more, but rather throw it away. Let's do the man on the corner, keeps a smile with a pocket full of change. He waves hello, we walking by, we forget what he says when he say, but I had a chance, I'll make these people dance. We could all call these streets our home, but all that I know is people.
We're on an upwind mission. We've got to pick up a friend from Beef Island Airport later today. So we are heading about 9 nautical miles straight into about 30-35 knots and some pretty big waves. We're hugging the coast as much as possible, trying to avoid the swell. There's another boat just as dumb as we are. Oh.
Roll me through
that was the wet little choppy motor for an hour or so upwind, 20 to 25 knots and about 1-2 meter chop, but had a good 75 horsepower Yamaha pushing us through, so it's all good. And we come around the corner and pull out a little jib, and we go from 5 knots of boat speed, 3,000 RPM to 9-10 knots, just pulling out a little jib with all this breeze reaching. So it was a little rock rolly there for Sarah and a bit wet, but good fun.
Say hi, Rebecca. Hi! Rebecca's joining us for another week.
So happy to be here.
Except she's come and it's blowing 30 to 35 knots, so it's going to be interesting. Probably not too much snorkeling, but we're going to try and find some nice quiet bays for us to anchor in and spend a lot of time on shore drinking wine. She's already tidying our ropes perfectly.
That's it.
Hey, Eddie.
Don't show.
All that love is sadly running out. I've heard it all before. It's time to say.
Just watching Adam help our Kiwi friends raft up next to us for a night of drinks and pizzas.
She's going somewhere else where she can. From all the wrongs that I brought into her life, oh, yeah. She takes every measure to make me see.
Cruising along, we're very lucky to have friends joining us behind Sarah's head there. You can see it is Sojourn 2, Ross and Joe Blackman from New Zealand, who just happened to be doing the same trip as us and heading back there from Europe. We have my good mate Nick and Grace on board, and Rebecca too, so we're going to be having a bit of party tonight in Cane Garden before another trip to the Soggy Dollar Bar.
And he sang, come away with me, sail 7 seas with me, run away with me, you, me and the sea, come away with me, sail 7 seas with me, run away with me, you, me and the sea. Their eyes met in the moonlight. He stood up shocked by what he saw. That gorgeous girl in the water, her fishy tail and all.
Our starter battery couldn't have died at a better time. With the knowledge and experience of a salty old sea dog, we got her up and going in no time.
So that didn't work, so put it back on the terminal. I mean, my next sort of thought was, is there an isolated battery? That blue battery's what?
It's still reading start battery 12.3, which I don't understand. Those blue batteries are hooked up in parallel or series or whatever to the port at the back.
Yeah, well, it's not full.
My cables are too shitty.
Yeah, that'll be €450 plus freight.
Are we going to take him back to his boat?
Thank you.
Needless to say, we repaid the favour by hopping on their boat and drinking their rum later that day. Just pushing him out of the way, you know?
2 horses, turkeys on the back, mate.
Come on aboard.
Oh, it's Nick Blackman.
Just talking through the rum punch and the cocktails here.
Yeah, what do you got in it, bro?
Got the coconut and pineapple juice with the tropical juice, the bitters, lime, some Antiguan Cavalier rum, and some of these specialist ice cubes brought over here from latitude adjustment.
How does he do this?
That's all you need.
Perfect. So you got a bit of rope burn today?
Golden. Yeah, well, not used to the cruising.
Office hands,
Cruiser
mate.
condition. I think
Office hands.
it just they're all, obviously my hands are all calluses, so it just roughs them up a little bit.
Would you be more damn considerate if you knew that I was heading on my way? Would you learn to count your blessings?
So I've just arrived in the beautiful White Bay on Jost Van Dyke Island, and literally hasn't even been an hour and Eddie is off on the water to try out our refurbished windsurf board.
Take me back to the start. Take me back to the beginning. Take me back to the start again.
Let's come on shore to the legendary Soggy Dollar Bar to have a token painkiller and watch the sun go down.